You know what's crazy? Because in the last video, I was asking you guys about if you ever knew any videos of SKZOO performance in full version, and suddenly, like a day ago, they just dropped this new video, SKZOO performance video in 3 minutes. So I think this is full one. So this is what I've been really wanting to see, and I have just requested that on my last video. So this is a huge surprise, and I just can't wait to do an audio reaction for this video. So I think maybe they're performing Thunderous just like what we have seen on the short clips of SKZOO. This one, it's them with their animal heads. So let's just play now. Yes, this is Thunderous. Felix, Felix is he a chicken? I can see them seriously because of that animal head. I can. Changbin. I can I can take him seriously with that animal head. He's so mean. This is so funny. Bang Chan. He looks so cool in the video, and now with his wolf head, I just can't. He's, he suddenly turned into a really cute wolf. Wait, do we have? Do we? Can we see their tail? Oh yeah, they have tails. This is Bang Chan's tail. We just replace Bang Chan turning around, and I can see his tail exposed. Okay, you know. I love this part of dance. It's just so cool, and it's so beautiful. It's so harmony. With it has a really good harmony, and I don't know. I just love this part of dance. So, what happened when a chicken did a high five with a wolf? This is so amusing. Can't stop laughing. Ian. Oh wait a Why does all of them has a big tummy wanna wrap the tummy. And Felix still make that cocky face though he's with this animal costume. Look at it his face. He still make that serious and cocky face. Meanwhile, is Chang been grinning? I still can with their tail. What's wrong with who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Is this Sungmin? Wait, is this Sungmin? Yeah, or this is Han? So this is Sungmin. What's wrong with his head? Why he was holding his head like it was gonna fall off or so? He's holding his head. What's wrong? Or was it a part of the dance that I didn't notice back in the Thunderous? What happened? Is this a chaos? I see. Look between Peng Chen and who is this? Lino? what, what is happening here? What's happening here? Just look at them lining up. Each of them looks so funny. I mean, what's happening here? This is Ian with Han. What is he doing with Han's head? And then this is Songbin like, what are you doing? And then this is Yunjin, stop! Like he's raising his hands, telling him to stop. And then Lino. And then Changbin just look at his switches like that, and then Felix just looking at Changbin like that. And I think I noticed that Lino did something with Benchan after this. I mean, look. Yeah, his head. You see that? He's he hits his head. He hits his head. Look at this face. No. I want to see. Oh my! Even with their animal costume, they still carry each other just like in the Thunderous. Wow! How heavy is that? What is he doing? Is it part of the plan where Felix just got off, or was it an accident? I mean, let's repeat. I think it falls off by itself. Okay, wait. Wait. Okay, wait. Let me please. What are they doing? Look at this. It's like a pile of plushies carrying each other. Did Bang Chen kick? Is this? Look at this. What is this? When did it fall off? They didn't even to cut it. They didn't even to edit it. Oh, he did it. He did it. So he did it by his choice, and then oh, no, not by his choice. It was accident bet, and then Lino just look at him like like what the hell, bro? I love how they just still stick to their roles. Their part of dance, they're still doing their dance and nothing changed. And how I admire was that how could they still dance with this kind of outfit, with with their heads, with this 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 shoes, this animal shoes fit. I can English. And then with extra tummy, then carrying here. How did they still can dance that good? Though they still look funny. And then I also love their tails, because every time they're dancing around, swaying their hips, their tail just moving too. Every time they're turning around, so we see their tails are moving around, and that's so cute. It's so funny. So I really love this video, and I will definitely watch this again and again and again, because this is funny. And I love how natural they look, and how they decided not to edit at all. So this is so funny, and I can't wait to see another video drop. So I hope in 2 days I will see another video again, because they always drop videos. So SKZOO full fashion performance video down. I'll see you in the next video.